Sanibona guys. Yazi ngibhizi nyana man, sorry ukuniphazamisa man, ngiyazi nani ni busy kodwa khona into ngifuna ukuthi si-address lana man guys, as in it's a problem serious yazi. No, abosisi bethu balana eMzansi bathengisa nge-country man. Bathengisa nge-country, mina ngifuna ukwazi nje ukuthi kuza kanjani ngithengise nge-country kabuhlungu kanje. I just saw a video now of omunye umama othenjiswe 1,000 rand yokuthi ashade le outil le yangaphandle. Kodwa uthole i-70 rand. Even if they had given her that full amount, 1,000 rand, I need cheap man. I need cheap. Yazi nisifaka enkingeni. Nisifaka enkingeni ngoba yini enikhala kakhulu. Yini enikhala kakhulu ngochichi. Kanti abosester benu bajola nabo for imali, babashade for imali. And I'm not saying everyone, don't get me wrong, I'm not saying everyone does that. But the majority of us nathengisa ngathi man. Ngithengisa ngathi for 1,000 rand ungazothengisa nge-South African citizenship. Nge-1,000 rand. I need cheap man shim. Need cheap. And the right is very disappointing because now sizama ukufix country nina nyabheda la. Nihlezi nibheda, the majority of us. Hayi thina sonke but the majority of us. Nithengisa ngama-country. Yikho basikhuluma kanje. Yikho basi-abuse kanje ngoba nithengisa nge-country nina. Imagine uyoshada umuntu ongaphandle ongakwazi nokwazi, awumazi nokumazi for 1,000 rand. Ezophela khona manje emabhiyeni. Ladies, man, we can do better man. Asingabi that desperate. No, I still not really that desperate. So anyway, sorry to waste your guys' time or to bug you. Ni busy. I know it's a Monday and it's not just a phone. Again, ukuthengiswa nge-country yethu nina. Ayisuka asinqenge futhi